Hey gearheads, welcome back to the MotorMix. Today we're getting behind the wheel of a legend reborn, the 2025 Pontiac GTO Judge. This iconic muscle car is back with a vengeance, packing modern muscle and a head-turning design. So buckle up and get ready for a closer look. Exterior design. The Judge's design perfectly blends retro muscle with modern flair. Those sculpted lines and wide fenders scream classic muscle car, while the sleek LED headlights and modern fascia keep it feeling fresh. It's a head-turner that pays homage to its heritage without getting stuck in the past. Interior design. The 2025 Pontiac GTO Judge's interior blends luxury and performance in a driver-focused environment. Premium materials like leather and Alcantara create a comfortable and stylish cabin. The seats are bolstered to keep you planted during aggressive cornering, and a chunky steering wheel puts you in control. A large touchscreen infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained on the go, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. But the Judge doesn't forget its performance roots. Features like a performance data recorder and launch control cater to the driving enthusiast. Under the hood. Now, let's talk about what truly matters in a muscle car: the engine. The base Judge packs a serious punch with a twin-turbocharged V6 churning out 450 horsepower. But if you crave pure, earth-moving torque, there's a rumored supercharged V8 in the higher trims that could deliver a mind-blowing 750 horsepower. Unique features. The 2025 Judge isn't just about replicating the past. It offers some unique features that set it apart. The most exciting one? The return of the iconic hood-mounted air intake. This functional scoop feeds cool air to the engine for a boost in performance and adds a generous dose of nostalgia. The verdict. The 2025 Pontiac GTO Judge is a worthy successor to the legendary muscle car. It delivers a thrilling driving experience with monstrous power, sharp handling, and impressive technology, all wrapped in a stunning, modern design. It's a muscle car revival done right, and we can't wait to see it hit the streets.